Of the 9 major hydroelectric plants on Montana's stretch of the Missouri, the Bureau of Reclamation's Canyon Ferry and the Corps of Engineers' Fort Peck are the only 2 that experience substantial fluctuation. The 7 dams in between, owned and operated by PP&L, are known as run-of-river, which means whatever comes in at the head end, plus what's added by tributaries, has to pass through the turbines or the gates of the next dam.
So that the pond level stays consistent and full. We're in constant communication with the Bureau of Rec at Canyon Ferry to determine what their expected outflows are going to be. Really, to predict the future of the river flow is pretty difficult. Our folks look to 3 elements in particular: existing snowpack, which is very measurable, precipitation forecast, and then you have to be concerned about temperature, which certainly affects how quickly the snowpack comes off the mountains.
At the end of March, we were looking at about 50% normal runoff. Then what happened, of course, in May and June, it began to rain, and that rain coupled with the melting snow gave us some tremendous inflows, some of the highest we've seen in maybe 10 or 20 years. And that put us in this flood pool situation where we had to begin to spill water. Spilling is an abnormal event. It's not something we plan to do, and so this is unusual this year.
This big surge of water is good news for Fort Peck, where boat ramps that have been high and dry for the last 10 years are back in service. This is Mike Gurnett, out among Montana's fish, wildlife, and parks.